Hi, this is Jackie Kiadii, Microsoft Certified Trainer, with another quick productivity tip. Picture this. You get an email from someone and they want to know when you're available to meet. Hey, can you meet this week or next week or this month? And if you already have booking software, of course, you can send them a link. But what a lot of people don't know is that there's an option that's already built into Outlook. This is how you'd use it. So I'm going to go ahead and click Reply, and then click the Insert tab on the ribbon, and in the Include group, click Calendar. Once your calendar pops up, you can select a specific calendar for those of you who have multiple calendars, and then you would select the date range and select your date range. So in this case, I'm just going to click tomorrow. You can put a check mark next to Show Working Hours Only. Click OK. Wait a moment. It inserts the calendar into your email message, and it also provides the blocks when you are free and when you are busy. Once that's done, go ahead and click Send, and now your recipient has all the information he or she needs in order to set up a meeting with you. I hope you found this useful. If you did, I would love to know in the comments down below. And as always, thank you for watching.